Guys, when our YouTube channel reaches a certain point or certain milestone, we can't afford to lose that YouTube channel. Because in many cases, or I can say in majority of the cases, people's whole business and livelihood depends on these YouTube channels. And if somehow they lose their YouTube channel, it will be very problematic for them. So that's why I have created this video, that how to protect or how you can protect your YouTube channel from hackers. So I'll be going to explain you 3 or 4 ways which you can apply into your YouTube channel, and ultimately you'll be able to save and protect your YouTube channel, right? So let's start with the first one, first slide, and that is, don't share the email ID. Why I am asking you to don't share the email ID? Because this is the email ID I'm talking about, which we use to create the channel, the YouTube channel, right? So what people do, people use the same email ID which they used to create their YouTube channel. They share that email ID to brands or companies in order to contact or in order to do communication. But it is not the right way, because if your email ID is exposed, then it is very vulnerable and there's a high chances that hackers can find out that there is a YouTube channel using that email ID, and even they can hack that YouTube channel as well, right? It is very vulnerable. So don't share the email ID which you are using or which you have used to create your YouTube channel, right? So this is the first point which you need to keep in mind. The second point is two-step verifications. There are majority of YouTubers who haven't added or turned on the two-step verification process. But if your channel is monetized, then it is mandatory to turn on the two-step verification right now. But people who have subscribers under 1000 haven't got the option to monetize, and they forgot to turn on the two-step verification as well. So it is important and very helpful way to secure your YouTube channel. So turn on two-step verification if you haven't yet, right? The third point is permissions. What is this permission means? Basically, we have multiple permissions option in our YouTube channel. You might have seen that people provide editor access, caption writer access, or even admin access to someone they know, or in some cases someone they might don't know. So what you should do, you should check the permissions, channel permissions on a regular basis, that whom you have provided the access, and try to provide the editor access, and or don't go for the admin accesses, because if you are providing admin access to someone else, that means they hold the same power as you. So keep the main power or kind of a veto power in your hands of your channel, so that no one can do anything harmful with your channel. Also make sure that you are providing proper knowledge whom you have provided access, so that they don't share their credentials here and there and harm your YouTube channel, right? So keep this thing in mind, that you need to manage the permissions properly. Now the fourth point is providing access to third party tools. There are many third party tools in the market who asks you to log in your YouTube channel in their platform. So basically what you need to do, you need to connect their third party tool with your YouTube channel in order to get the data and get some useful insights that can help you to grow your YouTube channel. But sometimes these platforms, these third party tools, have very less security, and our data and our channel's access gets leaked from there. So next time, whenever you are connecting your YouTube channel with these third party tools, think twice before adding your channel, right? Now the fourth point is keeping too much easy password. So what people generally do, this is a very common mistake that people do. They keep very easy password. Even the hackers and their so-called their hacking tools can easily break your password and log in into your YouTube channel. So keep this thing in mind. You are using a proper password, proper combination of alphabets in uppercase, lowercase, numericals, and even special characters, and create a proper combination of 8 9 characters, 10 characters, so that hackers can't just log in into your YouTube channel by just predicting the few letters or few words, right? So this was the last point I wanted to cover in this particular video. I hope you understood the points, and I hope you'll apply these points into your YouTube channel as well, in order to increase the security of your YouTube channel and become more intelligent. internet user, right? So with that said, I want to take your leave. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, if you still have any question, query, any kind of confusion, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now, bye bye.